Which drink is harmful to the kidneys if consumed too much? Soda. Which nutrient is essential for strong and healthy bones? Calcium. Which food group is important for good intestine health? Fiber. Which activity is best for improving brain function and memory? Reading. Which healthy food helps the pancreas produce insulin better? Beans. Which food is known to help lower blood pressure? Banana. Which vegetable is known to help detoxify the liver? Broccoli. Which organ stores bile that helps with digestion? Gallbladder. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? Heart. What is the main job of the stomach in digestion? Mix food with acid. Which part of the body removes waste and extra water from blood? Kidney. Which hormone helps the body grow and repair cells? Growth hormone. On average, how many liters of blood does an adult human body have? 5 liters. What is bronchitis? Lung tube inflammation. Which specialist treats problems with the skin? Dermatologist. What is a doctor who treats children called? Pediatrician. What is a doctor who treats heart problems called? Cardiologist. What is a doctor who treats eye problems called? Ophthalmologist. What is the main symptom of the common flu? Fever. Which blood cells carry oxygen to the body's tissues? Red blood cells. Where is the longest bone in the human body located? Leg. How many bones does an adult human typically have? (206). What is the primary male's hormone? Testosterone. What type of exercise is best for building strong muscles? Weightlifting. What is the medical term for high blood sugar? Hyperglycemia. What is the medical term for low blood pressure? Hypotension. What is the medical term for a minor cut or scrape? Abrasion. A deficiency in which vitamin leads to the disease scurvy? Vitamin C. What is the best source of vitamin A for good eyesight? Carrots. Which hormone helps regulate the body's sleep cycle? Melatonin.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.